Hello dear students, today in daily drug we are going to learn about a new drug called the Nimesulide. Have you heard about this? This belongs to the class of the NSAID, that means the painkiller. The NSAID means nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug. So this Nimesulide belongs to this NSAID category, which we also can call it as the analgesics. Means in simple word it's a painkiller. Okay, so let's know more where the Nimesulide is indicated. It is indicated in cases of the fever, pain, rheumatoid arthritis and the dysmenorrhea. Okay, what do you mean by rheumatoid arthritis? It is the joint pain. So it is also indicated where the moderate to severe pain is exist. Okay, in cases of joint pains there is the pain which is in the moderate scale. Okay, and what do you mean by dysmenorrhea? Dysmenorrhea are the pain which is associated with the menstruation. Okay, so whenever there is the pain associated, any female is suffering from the dysmenorrhea or the painful periods she might be experiencing, so she can have this Nimesulide. Okay, so now we will see how the mode of action of the Nimesulide. Okay, Nimesulide is the selective cyclooxygenase 2 means COX-2 inhibitor. Okay, it selectively inhibits the COX-2 enzyme. COX-2 is responsible for what? For the prostaglandin synthesis. Okay, and prostaglandins are mostly high during the pain. Okay, so what Nimesulide, what our drug does? Our drug decreases this enzyme. Okay, it inhibits the COX-2 enzyme. The COX enzyme catalyzes the conversion of the arachidonic acid into the prostaglandins. So this COX enzyme is required for the conversion of arachidonic acid into the prostaglandins. Thus, the inhibition of this enzyme impedes the production of the prostaglandins. Impedes means what? It decreases the production of the prostaglandin, which are the senses of the pain. Okay, by the COX-2, which are responsible for the symptoms of the redness, swelling and pain and fever. Because of this prostaglandins, the redness, swelling, pain and fever, this all conditions happens whenever there are high levels of prostaglandins in your bloodstream. So what our Nimesulide does? Nimesulide decreases the production of the prostaglandins. In a way, this redness, swelling, pain and fever will fade away. So this is the very simple mechanism that it belongs to the class of the selective COX-2 inhibitor. Okay, so we will now see what are the brand names which are available for the Nimesulide. Now Nisip is there, which is in the tablet form. Again Nice is there, this is very famous brand for the Nimesulide, and Nimagesic IR. So this is all formulations which are available in the tablet formulation for the Nimesulide. So I hope you have understood all about the Nimesulide. Thank you for watching.